The plugin HDSR connects HelpDesk with our survey tool Survey&Report and lets you send surveys to your support customers automatically. In this video, we'll take a closer look at a survey and show you the settings in HelpDesk needed for that survey to be sent out. Let's see how this works. Here, we close a ticket for a customer in HelpDesk. After a while, the customer receives an email to answer a survey about the support. The customer clicks the link and answers the survey. The result can then be viewed in a report from Survey&Report. How is this being made? I will show you step by step how to make it work. First, let's open the software Survey&Report. We can either edit an existing survey or create a new one. In this example, we will use an existing one. I start by selecting the survey. Here it is, Support Evaluation. The starting page shows basic survey information. We check the publication period in order to make sure that the survey is possible to answer during the whole evaluation period. With the preview function, we can make sure the survey meets our expectations. Yes, it looks good. I then go to Data Collection, Mailings, to view the email that is to be sent out for the survey. First mailing is the message the support customers will receive automatically when they are transferred from HelpDesk. I make sure that the survey link is included in the message in order for the respondents to be able to reach the survey. Notice that both the ticket number and the ticket title are tagged in the text for the recipient to understand the purpose of this email. Yes, the mailing looks good too. Let's move on to HelpDesk and the menu Administration. I need the administrator role to be able to see the HDSR menu. First, let's look under Administration, where the general settings between our two HelpDesk and Survey&Report licenses are being handled. I check that the web address to Survey&Report is correct. Please note that this ending is added to the address. In Surveys available for rules, we can see all the surveys in Survey&Report. We can filter by survey categories and survey status. In the list, we find our survey Support Evaluation. In Match Fields, we make sure that the information from HelpDesk is imported to the equivalent field in Survey&Report. If we want to use recurring scheduled rules, the checkbox Activate Schedule has to be checked. Here we also decide in which time interval the rule should be run. Now we will add a new rule to our support survey. The rules are based on registered tickets and defines which support customers are to be transferred and when. It's possible to create recurring rules to transfer customers on a current basis or one-time rules which are run manually once. Here I create a recurring rule because the survey is to be sent to the support customers during a period of time. If we're going to send email to all of our support customers with tickets, we don't mind the conditions. Otherwise, we need to add one or several conditions in the rule. A condition applies to organization or object, that is to say which organization the support customer belongs to and which object they are getting support for. If the license includes the plugin HD Advanced, we can also choose organization group or object group. If we have more than one condition, we decide if the rule should apply to all conditions or at least one of the conditions. In this example, we decide that the survey should be sent to customers that have received support on the object property. I name the rule Evaluation Property. We found a survey in the list of available surveys. Then we decide if the rule should be active now or be activated later. I choose that the rule should be active from today until next month. We also decide how many days should pass after the customer's ticket have received a predefined status before they are transferred to Survey&Report. The ticket status can be new, open, or closed. I choose 0 days to send the survey as soon as possible and that the ticket should be closed. Next step is to choose if the transfer should be done once per ticket, per user, or per organization. Please note that recurrent mailings might not be appreciated by all receivers. For our rule, we select one transfer per customer. Okay, we're done setting up the rule and I finish by clicking Save. Now everything is set up properly and we just have to wait for the first ticket to be closed. Thank you for watching.